Ever wondered how great projects come to life? From soaring skyscrapers to bustling community events, there's a master plan at work. Discover the art of project management in our video, specially crafted for women who aspire to lead and inspire. Hello and welcome to Diamond Ideology. Today we will deep dive into the captivating realm of project management. Whether you're an industry veteran, a newcomer, or simply intrigued by the organized chaos that brings visions to life, today's video guide is tailored for you. What is project management? Picture project management as planning a dream vacation. The perfect getaway is your project's goal, and the tasks are choosing destinations, booking flights, finding accommodations, and planning activities. Project management is your travel itinerary, mapping out the journey so that you maximize your experience and enjoyment while managing time and budget, ensuring a seamless, memorable trip. Project management is the art of turning vision into reality. It's a journey that begins with a spark of an idea and travels through the meticulous process of planning, executing, and delivering, all while making sure that every minute, every team member, and every penny is used to its fullest potential. Project management importance today. In our dynamic world, project management is not just a job title, it's an essential strategy. It touches everything around us, from the sleek apps on our phones to the cozy spaces we call home, from groundbreaking medical treatments to the special events that warm our hearts. They all come to life through the elegant dance of project management. This discipline is the silent powerhouse ensuring that ideas transform into outcomes that are delivered on time, on budget, and to everyone's delight. In a time of so much innovation, project management is the thread that weaves concept and reality into our daily lives. Now, ladies, if we are to navigate this world of project management and use it to our advantage, it's essential to understand its language. Let's decode some basic jargon using our dream vacation planning for an example. First, project stakeholders. These are the people involved in or impacted by your vacation plans. Your family, the travel agent, and the hotel staff are all stakeholders. 2, scope. This is the outline of your vacation. It includes where you're going, what you'll do, and what you won't. The scope makes sure everyone knows what to expect from the trip. 3, milestones. Consider milestones as the big moments leading up to and during your vacation, like booking your flight, arriving at your destination, or going on a special excursion. 4, risk. Think of risks as the unexpected things that could go wrong, like a flight cancellation or bad weather. Planning ahead for these helps you handle them better if they happen. 5, deliverables. Think of deliverables as the outcomes of your trip, the experiences and souvenirs you will bring home. Understanding these terms helps keep your vacation planning smooth and ensures you enjoy your well-deserved break. So why should you care? You might wonder, I'm not a project manager, why should this matter to me? Well, the principles of project management supercharge our entrepreneurial lives. Be a social media manager scheduling posts, an author creating a new series, or a boutique owner sourcing new products. The core principles of organizing, prioritizing, and executing tasks efficiently are universal. Understanding project management, even just the basics, can elevate your entrepreneurial endeavor. There we have it as a primer into the world of project management. But remember, this is just the beginning. As we continue on this journey, we'll uncover tools, techniques, and tips to help you with your enterprising success. If this introduction resonated with you, please hit that thumbs up and share it with your peers. And if you are ready to take this journey with us, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, here's to turning visions into reality.